3 ingredients to get rid of toenail fungus in 7 days. Let's make the remedy really quick. First ingredient is Vicks Vaporub. We're going to use about a teaspoon of the Vicks Vaporub. Now, over the years, we have heard from many people who have had success with Vicks Vaporub. I myself make this remedy and give to friends which have seen amazing results. So we're going to use 1 tablespoon. So we're going to use 1 teaspoon of the Vicks Vaporub. Now, Vicks Vaporub also have camphor and it contains antifungal properties, and this is what helps it to work well on your fungus toenail. So we're going to just, warm the Vicks Vaporub up. And now let's reach for our second ingredient, which is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is another amazing ingredient to get rid of the toenail fungus. It has antibacterial and antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Great for using on your nails overall, whether you have fungus, yes or no, to keep it healthy. But when mixed with the Vicks Vaporub, it's going to create a powerful remedy for fungus nails. So we're using our teaspoon of the tea tree oil. We're going to mix this in the Vicks Vaporub. It's going to soften it. You can also choose to melt the Vicks Vaporub for easier mixing. And now, take a look at the third ingredient, oil of oregano, oregano oil. This also have antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, good to get rid of that toenail fungus. If you do not have oil of oregano, just get some oregano leaves and crush it. And when you crush it, add some oil to it and let it sit. And then you use it in this remedy. So we're using about a teaspoon of the oregano oil. We're just going to mix this in. Mix all the 3 ingredients together. Just 3 ingredients get rid of your toenail fungus in 7 days. If it's very severe, it might take up to about 2 weeks, but definitely minor 7 days, and severe, use it up, and in a month you are gonna notice that your nail is looking amazing. Tested, proven by my friends and my family. Amazing. Now, no need to store this in the refrigerator. Go ahead and store it in a small jar, and whenever you're ready, use it on your toenail every day. If you can AM and PM, that is also good. Make sure to dry those nails and apply it. And if you do not want it to rub off on your bed, just put a socks on and you're on your way to beautiful looking toenails. And there you have it, 3 ingredients that can help to get rid of your toenail fungus. You have some Vaporub, you have some tea tree oil, and you also have some oil of oregano. And if you want to add a 4th ingredient, you can go ahead and add a dash of apple cider vinegar.